Oh my god! Loud noises. I don't like them. No. Rocks. Pretty loud. Oh yeah.
What is that thing? Could the legends be true?
Legends don't burn.
Oh, that was extremely loud. You're overcompensating my voice.
We need to move now!
Yeah, let's go up here. Should.
I'll feel the tower.
Oh. Okay. Oh god. This episode's gonna be extremely loud. Jump. Barrels. Protect me.
Don't look up! Focus on me!
Where are we going? Oh god. Where is it? Where is it? Oh god. That is good.
Still alive, prisoner? Keep close to me if you want to stay that way. Gunnar, take care of the boy. I have to find General
Little boy. Little boy. Little boy. Good job, little boy. You survived. Oh god. I got dead.
Stay close to the wall!
Oh god. That's a dragon. Punch. We can't go into third person. Oh god. You okay, man? Can I turn some of this down? God, it's extremely loud. Audio. Master effects. Footsteps for sure, voice. Sure, saving. There we go. That's a little bit better. At least now you guys can hear my voice.
It's you and me, prisoner. Stay close.
I don't. Okay, where do I go?
Hurry up. You can't play. Out of our way. You're escaping that one. You're stopping us this time. Fine. I hope that dragon takes you all to Summerguard.
I'm gonna go with this guy. He is. You know, this guy, he's pretty cool. I'm waving. Hi. If you can see me, I'm waving. And black screen. No reason. Song time. Oh, I'm starting to get in the beat there. Escape Hell King.
We'll meet again in Summerguard, brother.
Is that your brother, man?
Looks like we're the only ones who made it.
Come on, keep your hopes.
It's a dragon, no doubt. Just like the children's stories and the legends. The harbingers of the end times.
We better get moving. Come here. Let me see if I can get those bindings off.
Yeah, that'd be helpful.
There you go. May as well take Gunnar's gear. He won't be needing it anymore.
Oh, look at me, man. I'm a black cat with some hair.
Grab Gunnar's gear. No shame in borrowing a friend's axe.
Kind of.
Alright. Get that armor on and give that axe a few swings.
Yeah, maybe if we
find some way out of here.
Maybe? Could this work?
Let's see about that gate.
Drunken accident. He was drunk. No, he was
No way to open this from outside.
drunk. Ew, that's gross. Okay, weapons. Equip that. Equip this.
Come on, Fuse! Take cover!
Get this gate open.
Oh, I can't pickpocket him. So pretty much what I'm thinking is that I want to be like a thief guy. I've never really been a thief. But I want to be a... There we go. Boom! Oh, dude, that's good job, good job. Team.
Take
all this. Take all this. Dude, you like stroking her hair? No.
Here we are. Found the key. Let's see if it opens that door.
Yeah. Dude, I have a key. What the heck, bro?
That's it. Come on. Let's get out of here before the dragon brings the whole tower down on our heads.
Cabbage. Cabbage will save the day. Cabbage. Okay. Hold up, wait. Let me me and my best friend Cabbage are gonna save the day. Come on, let's go. Oh god. Cabbage, are you okay? I think...
Dragon doesn't give up easy.
Grab everything important and let's move. Dragon's burning everything to the ground.
Cabbage, I'll protect you. Here. Axe. Time. One-handed increase.
Storeroom. See if you can find any potent. We'll need them.
Cabbage. It's safe now, Cabbage. Honking, obnoxious horn like so. Wait, Cabbage. Play hide and seek. You sit down. Cabbage. No, cabbage. Sit. Okay. I'm gonna go ahead and grab some potions. Bucket, no. Minor healing. Is that it? Yeah, that's it. Alright, come on, Cabbage, let's go. Ding, the cabbage. Ding, the cabbage. Potions. Okay, Cabbage, you'll be safer inside of me. Potion, minor healing. Okay, let's go.
Done? Let's get moving.
We'll get this war axe out. I just want a bow. Save this guy. Save him. Oh no.
We're too late. Damn the Empire.
Oh wait, that actually is better than what I have on. Apparel. Shoot! Put that on. Put that on. Put that on. And put that on. Well, shoot. If I knew that, did that time ago.
Wait a second.
Ooh, that's so
Like there's something in this cage.
It's there now.
It's locked. See if you can get it open with some picks. We might need that gold once we get out.
Oh.
Grab anything useful and let's go.
Alright, so not like that. Yay! So we got sparks, we got some gold, and gold, magicka. Aw, sweet, we got a hood. We get the hood. I don't know if you guys can see it that good, but we get a hood. Unintentional rhyme. Did it? I don't even care if this gives me any armor, man. I mean, dude, look at me. Wait, let me stand in the light. Can't even see my face. That's how beast mode it is. Mace. Nope, no maces to the faces. Knapsack is empty. Alright, let's go. This is pretty much just to level up your lockpicking, which might actually do. Boom! Look at that, pro. Boom! Look at that, pro again. Wait, we got a book, right? Yeah, we got sparks. Alright, let go, let go, let go! Can I get my bow now? I really want a bow. Bow and meal. And also, something that I've never done before is make potions. I want to start getting into potions and enchanting. I've never really done that before.
Orders are to wait until General Tullius arrives.
Dude, it's me.
I'm waiting to be killed by a dragon. We need to fall back.
Dude, you should probably
Just
get
give
down.
the General some time.
Oh, fine, whatever. Yay!
I'm on your side.
An arrow. Yes, longbow. Obnoxious phone. Hold on while I get that just for 1